New tonight, a Burnet County man rescued by helicopter during the devastating July 4th floods is sharing his story. As part of Senate Bill 3, Burnet is among several Central Texas counties that is set to receive funding for flood warning sirens. KVUE's Jose Alonso shows us the changes flood survivors are hoping to see.
Just more than 7 months ago, a devastating flood washed out several hill country communities, took the lives of more than 100 people, including 5 in Burnet County, with 1 person still missing. The natural disaster scarred Vietnam veteran Donnie Russell.
I've been scared in my life, but I've never been that scared because water, and it was moving. It was really moving. And so that just scared the fool out of me. I said, man, I'm about to go. So.
Russell only laughs now because of the intense adrenaline he experienced while witnessing this outside his RV home and his journey of being rescued by air.
The helicopter lowered one of the Coast Guard, lowered him down, and he knocked on my door. I threw my bags to him, jumped out, put me in a basket, took me over here to Faith Academy.
2 months after the devastating flood, Governor Greg Abbott signed Senate Bill 3 into law, which requires the Texas Water Development Board to assess all of the 30 counties that were declared a disaster, including Burnet County, and see where outdoor warning sirens should be installed.
Each county got $1 million, and that $1 million includes the ability to put in sirens and all the different equipment that they would need.
Burnet County Judge Brian Wilson says they're in the early stages of implementing this law alongside the Texas Water Development Board, who shared these example photos of what could be installed in the near future.
Do y'all currently have any sirens? Are they needed?
Okay, we do not have any sirens right now. The Water Development Board will identify the places where the sirens go. So that's what they're going to do on March 3rd, as I understand it.
Wilson says it will be a collaborative effort for each county with the board. Survivors like Russell says an early warning system is a must, especially for him and neighbors at Cedar Stays RV Park.
There were several trailers up there that had 8 to 10 feet of water. And to be able to be warned ahead of time like that's life-saving. We lost 1 person here.
Moves are being made to save vulnerable lives in the Texas Hill Country. In Marble Falls, Jose Alonso, KVUE News.
The Burnet County judge says there's no set date for when warning systems could be installed, but he's hopeful it will happen before the end of next year.